Good evening, YouTube. Full Circle Review back here again with another review. This time I have Milkboy Switzerland. Swiss chocolate alpine milk with crunchy caramel and sea salt. Serving size is 1 bar, 220 calories, 13 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of protein. Where is this from? Switzerland. There we go. So let's just see how the Swedish make their chocolate. And you'll have to let me know down below, how do y'all feel about me doing foreign product reviews? Because apparently where I live, you can actually find quite a bit of foreign stuff. Whether it's legal or illegal. Very basic looking bar. It's crispy though. Ridiculously buttery. Crispy bits toffee. I even get sea salt. Very mild milk chocolate, but it's good quality. It's buttery, it's smooth. The chocolate flavors there is just very, 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 very faint. The caramel comes across more as of a toffee. It tastes like almost milk chocolate mixed with caramel. Good quality. It's tempered. Good mouthfeel, very buttery. Salt's there. I wish the chocolate flavor was stronger. I wish the caramel was a little darker. 89 out of 100. This is a very well-made chocolate bar. Milkboy Switzerland. Very buttery smooth. I do wish the caramel was stronger. Sea salt comes through. Chocolate needs to be stronger. Just understand this is a milk chocolate. Anyway, there has been another foreign product review. If you want to see more videos like this, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and y'all take care.